Hello ladies, today I have created this lovely look using the Huda Nude palette. I really enjoyed using this palette because the colors in it are super pigmented and they are fantastic to use if you're like newly starting out or just trying to learn to do your shadows. Basically they just glide on and they're super buildable colors, which is why I really like them. I really hope you enjoy this video and enjoy me creating this nice soft nude look that you can wear out or any day. So yeah, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe if you like it. Let's get started.
वो लम्हे वो बातें कोई न जाने थी कैसी रातें वो बरसातें वो भीगी भीगी यादें वो भीगी भीगी यादें वो भीगी भीगी यादें वो भीगी भीगी Say you're moving on, he ain't lying on me. I know you miss me, now I'm gone. That's why you got me on speed dial. You were so hard to please, but so easy to love. How could you be so naive to think I this up? Trying to play cool, but you know I'm bleeding. Bought a couple things, try to know the feeling. But when I say hurt, you don't know the meaning. Girl, you know I need you like I know you need me. I can't see straight no more since you went MIA. We're playing those favorite songs, take me back to them days. वो लम्हे वो बातें कोई न जाने थी कैसी रातें हो बरसातें वो भीगी भीगी यादें ना मैं जानूं ना कैसे हुआ ये दिल जुदा जाने ना कैसा ये प्यार इसका नशा so hard to find but so easy to love. I must have been out my mind to lose you to mistrust. Try to play cool but you know I'm bleeding. Could call a couple things trying to know the feeling. But when I say hurt you don't know the meaning. Girl you know I need you like I know you need me. I can't see straight no more since you went away. I've been overboard. You used to make a space when I play this song.